Creating a YouTube channel process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set it up. 1. Create a Google account. If you don't already have a Google account, go to Google Account Creation and follow the prompts to set one up. If you already have a Google account, sign in. 2. Go to YouTube, visit YouTube, and make sure you're logged into your Google account. 3. Create your YouTube channel on desktop. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Create a Channel. You'll see a prompt to get started. You can either use your name or a custom name for your channel. If you choose to create a custom name, enter the desired channel name. Click Create to finalize your channel. On mobile, open the YouTube app. Tap on your profile icon in the top right. Tap Your Channel. You'll be prompted to enter your name and create the channel. 4. Customize your channel. Once your channel is created, you'll want to customize it. Add a profile picture. Upload an image that represents your channel. Add channel art banner. Create a banner that fits YouTube's recommended dimensions to 560x 1440 pixels. This will appear at the top of your channel page. Add a channel description. Write a brief description of what your channel is about. This helps viewers understand your content. Add links. You can add links to your website or social media profiles to your channel's banner. 5. Upload your first video. To upload a video, click the camera icon with the plus at the top right next to your profile icon and select Upload Video. Choose a video file from your computer and follow the on-screen prompts to add a title, description, and tags to your video. You can also choose a custom thumbnail recommended to attract more viewers. 6. Optimize settings. Monetization. To enable monetization ads on your videos, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program, which requires 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 public watch hours in the past 12 months, adherence to YouTube's policies and guidelines, SEO. Make sure your titles, descriptions, and tags include relevant keywords to help people find your videos via search. Privacy settings. You can set your video to be public, private, or unlisted. Public videos can be seen by anyone, while private ones are viewable only by you or specific people you invite. 7. Create playlist groups similar videos into playlists. This can help keep viewers engaged and increase watch time on your channel. 8. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, embed them on blogs, or collaborate with other creators to grow your audience. 9. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and engage with your community. This builds loyalty and helps your channel grow faster. 10. Monitor channel analytics. Use YouTube Analytics found in YouTube Studio to track views, watch time, audience demographics, and more. This helps you optimize future content. That's it. You now have a YouTube channel and can start uploading and promoting your content.